Hello, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to do a little tutorial on how to unclutter your mind. We're going to start with the desktop. I have a lot of items on my desktop and I want to just condense this and make this look a whole lot better. So I've decided to put together some folders and put a bunch of items inside of the folders. You'll notice that I have a lot of stuff like for insurance, my notary public business. I have 3 different businesses right now doing income tax as well. Also, I will make sure that you can get a chance to see how to create a folder, how to put things inside of the folder, and just clear a lot of space off of this desktop. So let me get started. Right now I've already created a couple of folders to start with, making my desktop look a little bit better, clearing up space. So I have my business folder I've created right here, and you'll notice that it's empty right now, but we're going to fill it up. And so what we can do is just really close that out. We can click on the items that we want to bring into this folder and other folders that are on my desktop. Right now I have a book folder of books that I've been reading. You'll see a couple of authors there. Me, myself, I am an aspiring author as well. So I keep all of notes and stuff in this folder. I keep a lot of stuff that's easy access on my desktop. So as you can see right here, we have a desktop folder. So what we're going to do is take these folders and get them inside of that one folder to make it easier and less confusing for us. It's very confusing right now, but we want to go ahead and make this less confusing for us. So also we have different dates that I have videos and stuff of, so we want to put that together. Again, we have one of my businesses, and that business is Quick and Easy Tax Service. And so you'll notice that I have folders inside of there that I can easily access. Documents, certificates that I might need for that business. So again, all we have to do is select that one and drag it inside of the folder, the business folder. So there you see, going inside, dropping it. And we have just begun to condense. I have the notary business, and so it is called Notary Pros on the Go. We have a bunch of folders in here because I have some notaries that work underneath me, and I may have their certificates in here as well. Business cards, Doc Verify, all kinds of important stuff that I need to keep together. So again, we close that folder out. Then we would drag that folder. You'll see the check mark up here. Then you can just drag this into the business folder. Takes a little time, just very little, just seconds really, to pull it in. And so if I click on it, you'll notice that I have already put 2 of the businesses inside of that folder. Then I can go ahead and close it out, continue to compile these folders together. I have my home life, where I work with a lot of companies to make sure my home is together and stuff. So I want to also condense that folder down. We have my Wayfair. They've gone out of business, so really this one is just keeping for my records. So I'm going to put that inside of the home folder. We have the stock options and things of that nature. What we want to do is create a folder for the stock options and investments. So I'm going to create this folder for now and call it investments folder. And we're going to put everything to go with the stock market inside of that, or even investments that you might have. We will go over some ideas and stuff about investing. I do have a lot of ideas. I have been investing. I did double my money, and so we want you to have some of those ideas as well. So eventually I'll do a video on investing. Just stay tuned to my channel to be able to see that. Again, we have things about religion and talking about God. And so we want to have a folder for that. And so I'm going to create a folder right now. And then I'm going to pull some of my information in that folder as well. So I can go ahead and condense down. Again, I have my master's degree, and so I've been to school, of course, and I want to make a folder for, I should call it education, but I think I'm going to just call it something like universities. And you can go back and change this whenever you want to. So I'm going to call it universities folder for now. Just to help me organize. So a good name actually will be universities and colleges. And then we have one university that I went to, Our Lady of the Lake University. So I'm going to put that inside. And a lot of times I'll have folders with just dates on them. More likely that's going to be information that I need or pictures. So I will have everything condensed down. Again, I have a folder for family things, and I'm going to be moving a couple of these into that folder right now. You can click as many as you like folders and just click on one and then drag it in there. I have that one clicked, but that's not a family, so I'm going to now look around to see if I have any more folders that are pertaining to the family, and I'm going to drag them into the family folder right here. And you'll notice that that's clearing up more space for me. Okay, I was doing a lot of research on twin flames, the healing process, and soul ties. So I'm going to set this aside for now. This folder on twin flames, set that aside. Then we have my PayPal account. I have folders for different important things. Again, you'll see Carol's important, documents and stuff. We're going to pull that all together as one. We have Westgate. I have some property with Westgate, a timeshare. It will eventually be talked about, but we want to get that folder and decide where to put that. So I'm going to have to create a folder that's going to be on travel and combine it with that folder. It's just basic travel folder. We might even call that folder vacation and travel. So then we want to set that Westgate inside of the travel folder. We can always click on this to arrange the folders and put them in order. So we can sort them by name. We could sort it by size. We could sort it by type. We can sort it by date modified. A lot of times I want to go with by type. Makes my desktop look a little bit better. So let's do that for now. And as you can see, it's still a lot of stuff on my desktop, but we're working to clear that up right now. So you'll see I have my YouTube folder, and I have that organized by the types of videos that I do. Maybe create something like a loom, something like cooking, bamboo arrangements. That's my third business that I have for right now. Notary signing, videos, travel videos, uploading, needing to be uploaded right now, vacationing, video, blogs, and stuff. I have that also available. Just an idea of if you decide that you wanted to do some videos and whatnot and get them out there, how to organize your stuff.